broken shell Stampin. I am currently camping out at the desert, and I just wanted to show you one of the wonderful reasons I love paper pumpkin is I can bring it anywhere, and I can make a card anywhere, even when I'm sitting in the middle of the desert with my kids playing with their toys. So I keep this kit in my trailer, and I've got I put extra Stampin' spots, and I've got an extra couple of older retired paper pumpkin sets and an old pair of scissors that I don't use very anymore. And then I keep tear and tape out here. I'm actually getting low just because the green glue can sometimes clump up or like get melted. You can hear my kids playing in the trailer, I'm sure. So anyway, it's a little difficult to hold, so I'm going to make a card today with this piece of scrap, this kit. I cut out some, I think that's Summer Splash. And we're going to use one of the sentiments, and I think I'm going to use the lemons. Got some extra paper here we're going to use. And I'm going to go ahead and punch out one of these. So I will be back. Thanks for watching. Okay, we're starting with this. I don't have my paper trimmer with me, but I will show you the next few steps. I'm going to cut this down and do some stamping and use this with the lemons. I've got my little kit right here. I need to go get my drink. All right, and then my dog is hanging out, chilling, and it's a beautiful day. Okay, so one thing, I am staying back with my kids. Otherwise, I'd be out on a ride, and we're about ready to go. So I'm gonna have to put this on a hold, but I will be back. I don't like this frame in this kit. This is the Life is Sweet June 2024 paper pumpkin kit, and I just don't find an easy use with it, so I've been cutting out the little leaves to use as embellishments. I've cut this piece of scrap, and I've glued down that, and I'm going to put this together and then put Joe on another hold because the dunes are calling. All right, so this guy is my little travel eraser, so I put that on here to help get the ink to stay on. That's the card. I put the other stuff down. It's a little difficult doing this one-handed. Dude. Now, I could do this. Dean. I could do this on a table, but I'm
so sorry.
Yes, thank you. But I'm trying to show you that you can just have your lap and this box and create a card. So I put these are all put down. I popped up the lemons, and I popped up just this part of the mist that's glued down with tear and tape, and that's all tear and tape. And so now we're just going to put that right there with some tear and tape. And as I said earlier, the dunes are calling, and my kid is eating his lunch, so we're going to go and have some fun. Okay, so that's put down, and now we are going to finish by adding just a few embellishments. These are the little pearls that came with this. Now again, this was the Paper Pumpkin Life is Sweet June 2024 paper pumpkin kit. So that concludes that, and that was Shy Shamrock. I believe it looks like it's Shy. I don't know which. I just threw some extra papers in here so that way I can have this. And now we've got a Sweet Friend card, and it's time to go ride. Thank you again for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you leave a comment, I would love to hear your feedback. Have a great day.